Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Gatwick. The local time is approaching 4:10. The crew should be leaving their seats to complete safety-related duties. However, please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the sign has been switched off. Please take all your personal belongings with you, check in the seat pocket, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. If you have any items that can be recycled, place these on the seats at the front and the rear of the aircraft as you disembark. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area outside the terminal building. Electronic devices can now be used. Before you fly this again, why not download the Easyjet app, which lets you take full control. The only one app has never been easier to book flights, check in, download boarding passes, manage your entire trip in one very handy place. On behalf of myself and the dream team, I'd like to thank you for flying Easyjet today. I look forward to seeing another Easyjet service in the not too distant future. Thank you and good afternoon.